North. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit.
Yan, proper engage. Bullshit lang.
Okay, now go back northeast. Northeast, go back northeast. Defensive. Nice defensive. Keep going back northeast. Heels on the Judy. Heels on the front. Heels on our tank. Namamatay mga D-tanks natin, guys. Okay na, walk with them. Meron na kayong skills? Meron na ba, guys? Mga DPS, magsalita kayo. Okay. Engage in front in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Ang lag ko. Okay, go back southeast. Actually, brawl niyan. Pwede brawl with them. You can brawl with them. Wala akong sinabi mag-third. Sabi ko lang brawl. Hindi ko sinabi mag-third. Kapag brawl, Q's and W's lang yun. Okay na, go back to the middle.
Putang ina, nabawa. Ba't ko
Namatay na yung cellphone ni SK. Ay, hindi, boy. Go back to the middle. Kapag hindi kayo dito tapos hindi nyo ako kita, may mali kayong ginagawa. Drox, dito ka. Ah, hindi. Ano ba suot ni Drox? Alam ko meron tayo isang ano pa. May brawler tayo ah. Azure, ba't nandito ka? Brawler yung suot mo.
Puta, may pera.
Okay, now go down.
Takot ka kanila. Ako nalipat ako.
Go down. Pwede kasi kita nila, Azure. Okay, now. Defensive. Hold. Defensive. Okay, engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Shoot. Lalag ako. Nice one. Okay. Brawl with them a little. Okay, now go back. Huwag na natin sila sundan dyan. Go back to the middle. Diba? Ganyan lang guys. Chill lang. Huwag lang kayo talaga mag-ano. Oh. Spread. Chill. Okay, now engaging in front in 5. Wait, hold on. May nag-ano sila. Using W's dyan. Bakit may naka-verbos? Go back to the middle. Go back to the middle. Using W's lang dyan pero go back to the middle. Balik kayo dito. Balik kayo. Above. Go back here. Go back on the pin. Go back to the pin. Okay now, engaging in front. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unlag ko, wait. Okay, now engage on this. Go back. Defensive, then go back. Go back to the middle. Kapag hindi kayo brawler, go back. Go back southeast. Okay, now wait 3 seconds. I have engaged in 3 seconds. I wait 4 seconds. Wait in 4 seconds. Engage them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lag ko, grabe. Sorry, naglalag ako. Using W dito sa dalawa to. Okay, go back southeast, engaging in 7 seconds. I mean in 10 seconds. Engage in 10 seconds. Go back southeast. Hayaan nyo silang umakyat. Go back southeast.
Takinan nyo, mag-southeast na kayo.
Go back southeast. Okay, now. Go back to the middle. Hayaan nyo silang magano. At ang tagal nila. Hayaan nyo silang lumapit. Yun yung ano natin dito. Sila hihintay natin. Sila mag-a-adjust.
Ang
dami nyo yung sarap.
Looking for eagle daw, oh.
Is in W's dyan sa ano. Nice one. Okay, now look in front. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cute. Ito sa mag-isa. Okay, now go back. Brawl with them but go back. Pwede nyo i-Q's in W's pero mag-back kayo. Ng konti. Back. Go back. Southeast. Sabi kong back. Hindi brawl. 6 seconds engage. Engaging in 6 seconds. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Shoot. Nice one. Okay. Now brawl with them now. Ayun kayo mag-brawl.
Malalaman mo bobo kalaban pag ano namamatay sa perma.
Gabang ang puto.
Okay, go back
Legit,
southeast,
pre.
go back southeast, go back southeast. Ayan nyo
Hindi
sila
pa
mag-ano.
patay itong perma eh. Pang-ano lang to eh, pang-hold lang to eh.
Go back southeast, go back southeast, 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 southeast. Go back in, go back on top, go back on the middle, go back on the middle. We wait for them on the middle.
Ako rin.
Sino yung nag-poison? Si Drox.
Drop na yung poison, oy.
Ah,
Oh, okay. Look in front in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot, 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 shoot.
nabatil ako.
Akin yung damage ko. Where's my damage? Where's my damage? Go back southeast, go back southeast, go back southeast, southeast now, southeast, southeast, southeast. I told you southeast. Buti na lang kung na-defend kayo. Go back southeast, southeast now, southeast, southeast. Pag hindi nyo ako kita, may ginagawa kayong mali. Tandaan nyo yun. Hindi nyo ako kita, may ginagawa kayong mali. Go southeast, southeast. Okay, engage them in 5. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit, 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 hit. Where's my DPS? Where's my DPS? Naubusan ako ng boses. Okay, go back, kite south, kite back, kite southeast, southeast. Defensive on front, defensive on the front. Here's on the duty, here's on the duty. Here's on the duty now, here's on the duty now. Roll with them a little, roll with them, but heals first. Okay, engage them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit, 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 hit. Tagal ng ano ko. Hindi nag-pop. Heals. Go back southeast.
Southeast na,
Go back
southeast.
southeast.
Bulan, sino yun? Sino yung nasa dulo? Buluti.
Yaw ka na
Naglag.
Yaw ka na
Lag.
mag-earthon. Pag lumis na ako, bahala kayo dyan.
Naglag.
Tignan nyo,
Lag.
wala na yung earthron na, base na to. Go back southeast. Go back on top.
Buta na ni Lucy. Alam kung sino nandun ang puta.
Naglag.
Okay. Uy, Pantor, dito ka sa corner mo.
Go
Hindi ka
back
dito.
southeast. Asan to?
Pantor.
Pantur, sumama ka sa amin. Hindi ka kita.
Sabi nyo, pag nakikita nyo sa mga dyan na pala. Wait lang, okay. Okay, early engage tayo, early engage. Go. Come on, come down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit.
Nag-engage sila.
Grabe yung delay.
Nasa-teleport si Eldo gagi.
Tilting.
Defensive. Go back southeast. Grabe yung lag. Southeast now. Nalululo kayo dyan sa harap. Kills kay Azure. Okay, now look on this tree. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge. Damage. Okay, go back. Southeast. Actually, brawl this one. Brawl their healer. Kill their healer. I want their healer dead.
Oh, back na, North.
Back na. Don't, wag na. Nasa zone na nila tayo. Sa area na nila tayo. Wait on this choke. Spread here. Okay, now look below. Come on. 5. Wait, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hit. Okay, now go back. Hindi man lang namatay yung isa. Go back now. Go back up. Go back on top. Kills kay Dries, go back on top. Kills, go back on top. On top. Go back southeast. Pahil mo na kay Zac. Heal kay Zac. Hindi na kaya mamatay ditang natin. Go back southeast. Go southeast. Wait for them here. Go back southeast. Ayan nyo silang makiat. Go back southeast. Keep going southeast. Keep going here. Come on. Up the stairs. Actually, you know what? No. Spread here. Spread around here. Wait for them to come. Okay, now look. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Wala akong nagdadali ba ako? Meron. Nice one.
Meron.
Naglalag ako. Go back now. Don't roll.
Southeast na guys, southeast na.
Don't build ang
Corner.
hinaano natin dito guys. Don't roll. We're not rollers.
Heal kay Isak, namamatay na Isak dito.
Heal sa front. Huwag niyo kakalimutan, healer. Okay, engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito, dalawa. Kawawa naman yung Berpos. Lumapit lang, namatay.
Patay na color nila ulit.
Airpost.
Ang ina kasi, iniiwan ng healer nila yung color eh. Puno yan.
Defensive.
Walang
Patay
color.
niya, no? Using W's. 8 seconds engage. Go back southeast muna. Kapag nasa likod niyo ako, may mali kayong ginagawa. Tandaan yun. Southeast muna. Hintay tayo dito. Hayaan nyo silang umakyat. Okay, look in front. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Tatlo. Damage. Nice one. Go back now. Go back. Southeast. May namatay talaga dito. Go back. Southeast. Keep going southeast. Using W dito sa brawler. Using W sa brawler.
Perfect. Bigyan nyo.
Don't roll. Okay na. Go back southeast. Huwag kayong humabol. Huwag niyong habulin. Kahit gaano pa yan kalow. At meron silang meron engaged clump rin sila. Kaya kalma kayo. Ayan, Berpos oh. Okay, go back southeast. Hayaan nyo silang umakyat ulit. Go back southeast. Akyat kayo dito. Dali. Hintay kayo. Spread kayo. Hayaan nyo nga silang umakyat. Dito tayo. Go to the middle. Okay, tingin kayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. Dalawa. Damage. Hello, damage. Nice one. Okay, now go back. Defensive now. Defensive. Heal to the duty, go to the duty and heal. Pag may nadali sa inyo dito, may mali tayong ginagawa dito. Naantok na ako. Okay, look at the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Damage. Come on, damage. Nice one. Okay, go back up. Go back on top.
Tama na.
Go back on top. Sila na ulit tayo. Hayaan nyo silang sila mag-a-adjust lagi.
Ascent on top daw.
Huwag kayo magdala ng poison.
Sila sa ng puta regular phone.
Baliw tong na to.
Malakas pa yung irregular phone sa kanila eh.
Ay, naglag.
40 seconds. 20 seconds. Spread on the middle. Mukhang sa kabilang side sila ngayon. Pasabi dirt sa pag nandiyan
Ay, si Pagma pa lang ito. Kala ko si Chin na. Binabaril ng itlog ang puta.
Asan sila? Mayroon bang info?
Wala pa. Ito na, nasa na sila, baba na.
Okay.
Pa-north.
Look on the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapusin natin. Hit. Yan, damage. Patay nyo na to. Putot ko ng damage. Hello? Patayin yung collar. Sige. Okay na, go back. Don't roll anymore. Defensive yung front. Defensive. Shield in defensive. Go up. Okay, look at the stairs. Earlier, inside the path. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit.
Patay nyo. Please.
Okay na, go back southeast now. Wala akong stopping bro. Southeast now. Spread here. Huwag kayo magdikit-dikit. Spread. Masyado kayo clump dito. Spread. Ang laki ng space. Lalo na yung mga dyan. Range DPS. Ang laki ng space nyo dapat. Okay now, look below. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Damage. Come on. Nice one.